All right, we are learning more about the Pi Day workshop at Imagination Station this Saturday. Joining us in the kitchen today, Education Manager Eryn Barwinski. Thank you so much, Eryn, for being here.
Thanks for having me. Sorry.
From pie to pie.
Yes.
This is the pie we're talking about, right?
Yes, but both types of pie, PIE and PI.
Okay.
So we're throwing a Pi Day party at
Okay.
3:14 p.m. and participants are going to get to make some PIE, some delicious pie to eat. But they're also going to learn about mathematical pie.
Okay.
So I brought a fun way to demonstrate pie today because it's kind of confusing. Like, what even is it?
Did it involve pints?
It does not.
Oh, well, all right.
Not today.
Okay.
But pi is the ratio between the circumference of a circle and its diameter. We're told that all the time.
Yep.
This circle has a 1 foot diameter, exactly 1 foot. So I'm going to kind of show you what that means. Each of these numbers is 1 foot apart. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got it.
All right. And if I start this circle right here, 1 foot diameter circle, and rotate it around,
What is it telling me?
its circumference is exactly pi, 3.14159.
Okay.
So you see that?
Yes.
If the diameter is 1, the circumference is pi. And that ratio stands no matter what the diameter is. So
I got it.
It's a really cool way to demonstrate it. So that's one of the
Is
things
it
we'll have.
3.141592653? I mean,
Very, very good.
You see how long
How
that
many
piece of
digits?
paper is?
These
Look
are
at that.
the first 1
It's
million
infinite.
digits of pi.
Oh my gosh.
It's in 12-point font and takes up 242 pages.
oh, it goes on and on. These aren't copies.
No, that's why I thought they
my
were
gosh.
too. Yeah.
It goes on and never repeats. So we have some activities that will explore pi and help people understand the digits.
Is that infinity? Would that be like an infinity marker?
Forever.
And beyond.
And
Never repeating.
And beyond.
Yes. So we also have some fun pie activities. So one of them is pin the pie on the pie. And I'd love for you to give it a try.
Yeah. Can I
so
do
I've got
this?
this massive
Yeah, you do
pie.
that
How do I do
one.
this?
You'll put on some blindfold.
Okay.
I can help you with that if you need.
All right.
Slide it on
This
top.
is safe, right? Okay, here we
Should
go.
be.
Okay, all right.
Okay. And here's a pie. It's got a Velcro on the back, so it's in your hands.
Okay.
All right. I'll put you in front of the pie over here.
All of a sudden, I feel very superstitious.
And it's right there.
Okay.
So I need you to spin
Yep.
3 times.
Spin.
1,
Spinning. Yep. 2, 3.14.
Yeah, 3.14 times.
Okay.
And go.
Okay. Oh wait.
Just put it where you think.
Is there a sticky on here?
Yeah, this is the sticky side. There you
Oh,
go.
okay. They get it? There. They do it?
That was
Can I
pretty
see?
good. Yeah, you can check it out.
Oh, look at
Very
that.
nice.
I almost put the pie on the pie.
Maybe I directed you a little too
Thank
much.
you. Well done. Thank you,
Well,
Eryn.
one more thing.
Yes.
Pi Day is Einstein's birthday.
Oh,
Albert
is it?
Einstein. Yes.
Oh, okay.
He was born on Pi Day.
Oh, look at this.
So we're also going to do a pal in the face activity.
What?
You
does that
know,
mean?
a nice big whipped cream pie.
There's a giant hole cut out in the middle here for some reason.
Yeah, just go ahead and put your face right in that hole. You can be our Einstein for a day.
Einstein?
Do you want to wear safety glasses or you feel good?
Put on some
no.
goggles.
I
I
feel
don't
like-
want to get. I don't want to get
feel like-
involved in litigation.
Yeah, here you go.
What happens?
Safety
Okay.
glasses.
All right, here we go. E equals MC squared.
Very good,
good with
very
that?
good.
Hey, what is this?
You ready for this?
What are you doing?
Very nice.
That was the best day ever.
Where's Ernest Brewworks when you need them?
You go over here now. I'm going to go over here.
I hope I'm not expected to
you
read
very
any scripts on the teleprompter after this. It's not happening.
You look great. So yeah, definitely come visit us this Saturday for Pi Day. We're also showing Monsters Inc. in 3D at our theater that day.
Okay.
So
Oh,
it's
sounds
going to be
wonderful.
really cool.
I guess I won't be able to see that either.
A day you won't want to miss.
Who needed the blindfold? Eryn, I should have done this before the blindfold. You could have saved a little money.
Oh, shoot.
Does
Wonderful.
it taste good though?
It does.
Very good.
It's a little, again, Ernest Brewworks would be helpful right now. That's right.
Pour some
Okay.
beer
How much
on
am I
it.
getting paid for this?
No, not enough. Not enough.
not enough.
Okay.
You can stay there
Okay.
all day.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so definitely this is the big celebration over at Imagination Station, and you will learn, but you will more importantly have fun while you learn.
Yeah,
right?
and it'll be delicious.
And it'll be
a lot of
delicious.
fun and delicious.
And who cares if it's nutritious?
So guilty now. Okay. We've got a lot coming up on the 9 the rest of this week. We will have a preview in just 2 minutes, and maybe
Rebecca, are you still here?
I'll handle the rest
I
of
can
the
hear
show.
you.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Does anyone got any white windshield wipers?